Science editor Lawrence McGinty has been watching preparations and joins me live in the studio. So what's happening now?
Well, they've just come out of the planned hold at 9 minutes, so it's all looking good for a launch in the next few minutes. I've been watching the countdown all morning, and, you know, one thing strikes me. There's a great deal of pride at NASA, but I suspect elsewhere in the United States, in the space shuttle, despite the accidents they've had, despite the loss of 2 crews. And remember, Endeavour there was built to replace the Challenger, which blew up so horribly and so spectacularly in 1986. Since then, 24 missions. This one, it'll carry the most important scientific experiment ever up to the space shuttle. That's it in that box there. It costs $2 billion. It'll be bolted onto the outside of the space station by those robot arms. And it's looking for dark matter, for antimatter. This is real science, real physics. It could be a crucial experiment. And that must make it all the more galling for NASA to think that in future, these experiments will be carried out not by the shuttle, but by the Russians.
And some interesting spectators.
Yes, Senator Giffords, who was shot in the head, as you said. Her husband, Mark Kelly, is the commander of this mission. It's said that when she was told she was well enough to come and watch, she punched the air with glee and victory. I'll bet her husband is hoping that the space shuttle program can have a similarly miraculous recovery, even though the very last mission is now planned for mid-July.
Lawrence, thank you very much indeed. And that is it this lunchtime, but I'll be here with Mary for the news at 6:30. And Lawrence will be back with a full report on Endeavour's last flight. The news where you are follows the national weather. But let's leave you with live pictures from Florida. From all of us here, a very good afternoon to you.
Clear outside, drizzling inside.
Ed Miliband, is your analysis a left or a right analysis?